Hello, it's Colette. Welcome to my channel. I was just about to do the weekly tarot card and I wasn't feeling great, and it felt a wee bit wrong as well to be doing it because there is a priority. Now, the priority is obviously the hurricane that's about to hit the Carolinas and the States, massive storm. And when we started this channel, it started with tarot and it started with divination, then it moved on to healing and mediumship, and we've now got a little community here that has enjoyed the sense of coming together for healing or to learn about healing. And I think it's important as a little community now, because we're nearly at 5,000 subscribers and we interact a lot, and I'm delighted with that. But this is the first time I think that we've been so cohesive when a potential tragedy is on its way. And I would like you, just for the next few minutes, to join in me with prayers that no one is hurt and that the least damage is done. Now, we'll go to that in a minute. Maybe further down the line we'll talk more about climate change, etc. But now's the time to try and get up some protection against the worst of the storm, and also to pray that there's the smallest amount of life lost, if any, human and animal. And I hope it passes, and I hope there's good support systems in place. I know out of the 5,000 subscribers that at least 60% are from the USA, and I love that. I also know that I've got a few in North and South Carolina and it's just to let you know I'm worried about you, and I hope that if you're in the zone that needed to evacuate, that you've done that. So please be safe, please be safe. Don't take any chances, evacuate if there's still time, and please just do the best for life. You know, houses and possessions and stuff, they matter a lot, but not a jot compared to the loss of human life. So please evacuate if there's still time, and I hope that our prayers and our sense of being with you, not just during the storm but after it, could really help. So for all of you out there, particularly my notification squad, let's get this started, and I'm up for continuing it very much every few hours, not online but in my own way. So I hope you'll join me just to sit for a few minutes and focus on the storm that's coming. A very, 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 very strong storm. Now, my first spirit name that I was ever gifted was Quiet's the Storm, and I'm meant to be able to quieten storms, but I don't think I can quieten this one in any way, apart from quieting maybe the effect that it has on some people by enlisting help from the people on the channel. So please, if you can, sit with me, and just for a few minutes let's focus on the Carolinas and any parts of the USA that will be affected by Hurricane Florence. And it doesn't matter who your god, goddess, whoever you pray to, just say your own prayer. I would just say, "Oh, Great Spirit, thank you for the blessings of today. Today, Mother Nature shows her temper, and if that's how it's meant to be, then that's okay. But for us, humans and animals in the path of the storm, or watching people and animals that we love or care for in the path of storm, We ask for the least damage. We ask for the least loss of life possible, whether that be human or animal. We send prayers of hope for those who have evacuated, that when they come back, that their homes and their businesses may still function. Please, Great Spirit, listen to my words. Let the energy of the people who have joined me and join in now with this video send protection in any way. Join with me in sending protection. Visualize the coastline. Visualize it stronger. But also in this, there's also a little note there from White Storm. And what he seems to be saying is that what will be will be. And also by being too protective of the coast, that other areas may get it worse. So Spirit appreciates effort and is listening, but the storm knows where the storm's going. So all we can really do is ask to quieten the storm. I come on wanting to do a big sort of protection as best I could along the coast. And I know you've joined in with me there, but White Storm says it will help, but it's not. The storm needs to go where it needs to go. We could protect one bit and another bit get it worse or whatever. Whether you believe in the power of protection or prayer or whatever, I don't know, but what do we do, White Storm? We can send healing and good energy to the people that have been displaced. And we can pray for their strength. And we can pray for their resilience. And with each day, we can magnify those thoughts to them. Because at some level, these things will be heard. So I think maybe we should just ask that as a community, we can come together to pray and send healing and give strength each day to the people who will be affected by Storm Florence, Hurricane Florence. And let's not just have it taper off very quickly. Let's stay with this, and when help is needed, to give help. And obviously people say, oh, hopes and prayers, what's that all about? Yeah, if we can, we'll give a bit of money and we'll help in whatever way we can, but sometimes this is all we can do. And you know, sometimes it just feels good to be doing something. And the thoughts and the love and the sense of well-being that I am wishing towards not just my followers in the area, but everyone, is deep and it's strong, and I can feel it, and I'm letting it flow out the way. And I believe, even if it's just one little particle or one little bit, that it'll help. So if we all do it, maybe it'll help that much, maybe it'll help that much. We don't know, but we do it anyway. So please, everybody in the storm path, get as far away from it as you can, because according to White Storm, this storm will go our own way. So just be as safe as you can. Many blessings now. Please be as safe as you can. We're sending thoughts from Scotland and from all over the world, and we're thinking of you, and we are with you in spirit. Many blessings now. Be safe. Please, please be safe. Bye.